Hi there, students. Lucullan. Lucullan. Okay, this is an adjective. It means extremely luxurious, but particularly for food. So, at Christmas, my family meets together and we have a Lucullan feast. Okay, a sumptuous feast, a delicious feast, a lavish feast, a luxurious Lucullan feast, marked by its richness, marked by the fact that it's absolutely sumptuous. Or Thanksgiving dinner in most American families is a Lucullan event. I'm quite fond of a Lucullan breakfast very early in the morning if I have to work. So Lucullan, marked by lavishness, by richness, by the fact that it's something sumptuous, but particularly about food. Now, the origin of this is a Roman general called Lucullus from the 1st century BC, and he went towards the east to Asia, and he amassed a huge amount of treasure. He became incredibly rich, and after that, he lived a life of luxury. He built the gardens of Lucullus in Rome. He built a beautiful villa in Naples, another one in Tusculum, another one on the island of Nisida in the Bay of Naples. So Lucullus, he was unbelievably rich, and he then became famous for his feasts, for his grand feasts and his banquets. And now Lucullan is talking about lavish, luxurious, gourmet. So a Lucullan feast. We went to the palace and were provided with a Lucullan feast. And Lucullus was well known for his feasts. I think he brought things like the apricot to Rome, and I think also, for example, things like sweet Swiss chard as well. So yes, Lucullus, he was he went to Asia and amassed a huge fortune in booty, and then he was famous for his great banquets. And nowadays we have Lucullan, a Lucullan meal for 2 people. Or maybe if you go to a wedding, at a wedding they will give you a Lucullan meal. Notice Lucullan, L-L-A-N, Lucullean, E-A-N, or I-A-N as well. But Lucullan, I would say most commonly. Formality. This I'm going to give, I think, a 7.5 in formality, although I think many people many native speakers will not know this word. Lucullan, characterized by extravagance, by profusion. A lavish buffet, a Lucullan buffet, the Lucullan feast that they served us at this 3-star Michelin restaurant. Yeah, it's Lucullan. It's extremely luxurious. It's extremely sumptuous, and it's got the height of luxury. So yeah, Christmas has become a Lucullan feast. I think it's interesting. A Roman gourmet has survived into our language. So, Lucullan.